Does your Roborock S7 robot vacuum keep erroring when turned on like this? Are you looking for the best possible solution for this problem? Don't worry. We've got the solution you've been looking for. Our customer asked us to fix a Roborock S7 robot vacuum that says the filter is wet, even though it isn't wet and it has already been changed with a new filter. This error message kept appearing on the robot when we turned it on. Our experts dug deep and discovered the culprit: faulty cliff sensor. Look at this. Unlike other cliff sensors, this one has a slightly brown mark, so it's faulty. And another problem is faulty water sensor. We recommend cliff sensor replacement and water sensor replacement. However, it wasn't over yet. We found another problem that was even worse. OMG, look at this. How on earth can this robot vacuum be so dirty? It can clog, causing the vacuum to have a poor cleaning performance. So, we also recommend a deep cleaning service to restore its performance. We begin robot vacuum repair after obtaining customer approval. Before returning to the customer, we do a unit test to ensure there are no more errors. Finally, no more errors. It works at maximum performance once more. Are you facing similar situation? Let us be your solution.